atomic power station at Tarapore has a generating capacity of 200 megawatt. The energy generated in a day by this station is, so atomic power station has a generating capacity of 200 megawatt. Okay, so generating capacity, that is power, energy per time is power. So that is 200 into 10 to the power 6 mega I have written watt. Watt is how much? 200 into 10 to the power 6 joule per second it is. So per every second it will create or it will generate an energy of 200 megajoules. 200 into 10 to the power 6 joule of energy every passing second the nuclear power station produces. In a day means this is per second. So energy per day is 200 into 10 to the power 6 joule per day I have to get, no. Here is second. So what I have to do? Second. So this I have to consider it too as per day. That is, every day has got 24 hours. Every hour has got 60 minutes and every minute has got 60 seconds. So if you multiply this, energy per day will be 2 into 10 to the power 8 into 86,400 joule of energy, because per second they cancel off, joule of energy. So this roughly is 1728 into 10 to the power 10 joules. So looking at the option D is the correct answer.